XR isn't gaming tech. It's why some companies are moving 10 times faster, and others are quietly being left behind. You've probably noticed digital experiences getting more immersive. VR headsets, AR filters, 3D models floating in your space. All of this falls under one powerful umbrella: extended reality, or XR. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what XR is, how it works, and why industries like construction, healthcare, and manufacturing are investing in it right now. XR is a catch-all term for technologies that blend the physical and digital world. Virtual reality is a fully immersive digital environment, while augmented reality are digital elements layered onto the real world. Mixed reality are digital objects that interact with your physical space. Together, these technologies form what we call extended reality. Think of XR as a spectrum. On one end is the real world, on the other hand, a fully virtual one. XR lets us move anywhere along that spectrum depending on the problem we're solving. Even though XR feels futuristic, it's been part of our lives for decades. Early VR arcade games in the 1990s were the first glimpse of immersive tech. They failed back then because the hardware wasn't ready. Fast forward to today, lightweight headsets, powerful devices, and millions of AR lenses on Instagram, Snap, and TikTok. XR didn't disappear, it matured. XR is already embedded across industries. For example, in training and education, students explore complex environments, practice skills safely, and learn faster through immersive simulations. And in architecture and engineering, teams can walk through buildings before they are built, collaborate remotely, and inspect digital twins in real time. While in healthcare, surgeons can rehearse procedures, medical students can learn anatomy in 3D, and therapists can use AR for rehabilitation. In manufacturing, AR overlays can guide workers step by step, reducing errors and downtime. And in entertainment and gaming, through VR experiences and AR filters, XR is changing how we play and create. XR matters because it isn't just impressive technology, it's a new interface for information. It makes learning intuitive, collaboration more natural, and complex systems easier to understand. XR won't replace jobs, but people who use XR will replace those who don't. It's also a powerful equalizer. Teams don't need to be in the same room, or even the same country, to share the same experience. XR works by blending real-world data with digital content in real time. As devices track movement, scan surroundings, and create a digital map of space, virtual elements are then anchored into that map so they behave like they belong there. That's why a hologram stays on your desk, and why VR environments feel responsive and real. The future of XR is only getting started. As hardware becomes lighter and software smarter, XR will blend seamlessly into daily workflows. Think virtual meetings that feel real, training that adapts to skill level, digital tools appearing exactly where they are needed. XR isn't coming, it's already here, and accelerating fast. And in Queensland, Australia, XR is already transforming mining, energy, transport, and manufacturing. Workers train in VR before entering high-risk environments. Digital twins help operators visualize entire facilities. AR remote assistance improves first-time fix rates. This is exactly the kind of real-world impact Next XR focuses on delivering. So that's XR in a nutshell, a spectrum of technologies merging the real and digital worlds, already reshaping how we learn, build, and work. If you want deeper dives into immersive tech and real industry use cases, subscribe to the channel. And comment below, where do you think XR will have the biggest impact next?